That's so fucking good. What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to show you guys stuffed jerk pork belly. See how I make it. We did this on the Weber Searwood. Lots of fun.
So let's jump right into it. Let me tell you guys how I prep this stuffed jerk pork belly. So what I did with this pork belly is I butterflied it, and then overnight I let it sit, seasoned with the wet jerk marinade on the inside. On the meat side, on the outside, we had the dry jerk seasoning, and on top we just had some coarse kosher salt laid out in the open air so that it could pull some of that moisture out of the skin. Then when I pull it out, I made sure to beat that meat side out a little bit more, and now I'm going to go with the filling. We're going to have some Jamaican rice and peas and some shredded cabbage. The rice and peas is already cooked and the cabbage was still raw, and then we're going to top that with some shredded carrots. Now after we add a layer of the stuffing down, I'm going to hit this with my dry jerk seasoning really lightly because I don't want to over season this thing. I'm going to proceed to roll it up nice and tight, and you want the skin side to be on the outside because you're looking for that good crispy skin. Now as best you can, get this tied up. I'm using the butcher's twine here to get it cinched up nice and good. I only did about 3, but in hindsight I probably should have did like 5 or 6 ties. Once you have this thing tied up, man, go ahead and cut off the excess string. Today we are loading this up on the rotisserie in the Weber Searwood pellet grill. That is their new pellet grill offering in the barbecue department, and man, let me tell you, the efficiency on this thing, it's amazing. So we get this trussed up and we're going to put it in the rotisserie machine, and we're going to get to go. My initial temperature for the very first hour is 300 degrees. I'm trying to get some of the inside cooked and not darken the skin too quickly. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of my dry jerk seasoning on the outside of the skin just for a little bit of color. I am not trying to season this thing. The inside is already well seasoned. So after 1 hour, we're going to check on this thing, and you can see nothing is really happening on the outside. So right now I'm going to bump the temperature up to 375 degrees. And we're going to continue to roll. Now after that ran for another hour at 375, I then gave it one last look and hit it to 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. And this came out amazing. Now, thank you guys for watching. The full recipe is going to be down in the description below. All the links to everything that I use will be in the description box as well. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow for more.